My name is Harrison, and I'll be talking about the differences between Zoom meetings and Zoom webinars. So let's get started. What is the difference between a Zoom meeting and a Zoom webinar? This is a question that we get very often. A standard Zoom meeting is fully interactive and allows all participants the ability to see, speak, hear, and screen share with each other, while a Zoom webinar is a view-only platform where the attendees cannot see each other and the host cannot see the attendees. A webinar has registration, reporting, and in-meeting chat for attendees. So if you're thinking about having a meeting where you need everyone to participate, you'll want to have a Zoom meeting. Whereas if you're looking to share information with a wide group of people and just want to push out information without them speaking back, a webinar may be the better route. Webinars can have up to 500 people, whereas Zoom meetings can only have up to 100 participants with a standard plan. Well, thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Zoom meetings or Zoom webinars or other Meeting Tomorrow services, check out the links in the video description. We specialize in producing both live and virtual events around the country and are here to help.